Welcome back. This is JC. This is our engineer Peter. Now we will show you how to install the mounting bracket. Okay, let's start it. Normally for whole unit, we will arrange the mounting bracket just like this one, and a bag of screws. And we will also arrange a standard. It's a special tool for end safety screws, just like this one. Okay. This one is M8 screws plus 20. This one we will arrange one piece. And there is also M8 screws but different lengths. I totally have M8 screws at 13 pieces. 13. We will install the 6 pieces in this bracket and the 6 in this. And we will use the flat pad, the spring pad, and the nut, screw nut. Okay, come here. That's the 3 degrees we want to show to our customers. Right, the 15, 25, and 35. You can use the shootable angles as you need. Normally, we will recommend for the 15 degrees. You want to try the 35 degrees? Yeah, also the factor and the spring brushes and the nut. This is better. And when you put the mount bracket on the lamp, please don't make a wrong position. Just like this collect. If you put like this, it's not collect. It's wrong. Okay?
Why?
Because the lamp, you see, LED light, just put the light, not the back.
Oh.
And just we told before, the M8 screws, all the same models, but the length is different. For the short 6 pieces, we will put in this the bracket. Okay, let's continue. You see, one length, one short. Normally, we will recommend when you install the screws, just regular cross. It's easy for install. And we can see the end of the screw. If you use the normal tools, you cannot open it. So it's very safety. Okay, not just like this one. And for normally the tube we will recommend the pole. The top of the is less 80 mm.
For this model, how long the pole it will?
This will be the next one is 12 meters.
12 meters.
Yeah, normally 9 to 12. And small one is 3 to 8. It's a small one. Okay, let's finish. after you install all the screws, you need to check whether it's stable or not. If not still stable, you need to use this tool again. Okay?
Finish.
Yes, finish.
So this is our design, the own design.
Yeah. You see, if you don't use these tools, you cannot open the screws and loosen the screws.
Oh.
So it's just for keep the light safe.
So not chip can move it.
Yeah,
Take it away.
Yeah, that cannot see.
So it's not difficult. The girl can do.
Yes. Yes, girls can do. It's very easy. And after install the mounting bracket, you only need to put the lamp in the pole. So you put it play and plug design. Very easy.
Also, this mode is very suitable for SKT, right? The one?
No, that's not SKT. All the lamps will have this one. For the normal service.
Yeah. Oh, I see.
Easy. Yes, very easy. Good job. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Just we told before for the log series, we put the basic installation manuals here. You can just do it at this one. Now we will show you again how to install this one. You want to do? We will arrange two brackets, left and right, and the screws M3 and M4. Each one have 4 pieces. You can just install the screws by hand. No need of tools. It's very easy. Right? He just tied the screws by the hand. Didn't use any tool. Okay. And please pay attention to this direction must be that one. Okay. After you fix one side, you can put the other side is the same. It's very easy to do it, and normally we'll spend 2 or 3 minutes can finish it, right, Miss Peter?
Yes, for sure.
Okay. And please pay attention to we will arrange the brush and the rubber strip. Normally the brush in the front and the rubber strip in the back. Okay. Finish. Okay, let's test. After all the screws is fixed, You can just turn on the light and show why it collects or not. Wait a moment. Yeah, right. Just like this. It's green 2,000 times. And we call back and forth is 1 time. Normally we will set 2 times every day.
Can I sit down here?
Cannot. Right. Okay. And the effect is the same for clean the dust, lit, or other things on the surface of the solar panel. So don't worry how much or how many dust will be on the surface of the solar panel. Okay. Okay, then thanks for coming to our show. Okay, we will continue to this afternoon. See you. Bye.